clean dial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. So now we're walking to the building of Novotel Cubao Araneta Gateway here in Manila. So as you can see, we are greeted by the guards going inside the hotel, and the indoor is very beautiful. As you can see, the ceilings above, the surroundings is the architecture is very beautiful. So the lobby inside, so I'm going to see the view of the lobby. So this is, what's that? So let's go near it. The concierge, but the concierge isn't available because it's nighttime. So I went also to the inquiries about the Accor membership. So if you want to inquire about the Accor membership, you can stay here, or if you are a member, you can inquire to them to get your room. That's the Accor services, and then that's the cafe, and that's renovated. So it's renovated. So this is the parking. If you enter in the parking, so they are renovating the cafe. So inside, we will go inside. So this is the elevator going up, going to the rooms, and then the escalator to the ballroom. So next is, this is where the buffet is held. If you are going to eat buffet, if you're going to have lunch, if you're going to order the restaurant, you can eat here in the restaurant of Novotel. So they are greeting, good morning, and as you can see, it has a beautiful restaurant too. So it serves, so they are ready for the breakfast buffet. So as you can see, they are getting ready for the breakfast buffet. That's why there's the pots over there. So next is my mom is checking in. So she's checking in, she's filling it out. Hello po.
Hello.
How many rooms po ang Novotel?
394.
Ilan po yung swimming pool?
One lang po yung swimming.
Ay, yung gym po. Ano po amenities na to?
Amenities namin, ma'am, pool and gym po located at the 6th floor. Yung gym area namin open 24 hours. Yung pool po open by 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Thank you po. So, okay, we're going in now to the elevator or to the lift. So, it has a beautiful design of the lift. So, our floor is a 14th floor. So, my mom is finding the floor. It's kind of hard to find, but it's okay. So, while waiting, she's saying hi to you guys. So, the aesthetic of the elevator is beautiful. So, it's like a new elevator. So, 10, 11, 12, 14. It's our floor. So, we're going out. Okay, so this is the carpets are new and clean. So, going into our room. So, 14th floor. So our unit is 1409. We're just first floor in the elevator. So we tap our key card, open it, and the room is really nice. Wow, 2 single beds. Actually, we should book the standard room, but we are upgraded in the deluxe room. So because they are fully booked, so if they're fully booked, you can request an upgrade, or they can offer to you the upgrade room. So it's not clear because it's just raining a while ago, as you can see. So they have the sofa, they have the TV, and then the amenities, they have water, free water, the coffee, the brown sugar, the creamer, the refrigerator. So this is a door for the comfort room, and the other is design. It's design for it's just a design. The other door. So we walk until this. Okay, so the hangers, the slippers, the robes, the iron. Okay, so we close the door, and then the comfort room, the dryer, the towels, the toothbrush, lotion, bath soap or hand soap, and then the faucet to open. Wow, nice glass or the glass, and then you can close this. Just pull the thread in the window. So this is the shampoo, bath gel, and the shower, and then this is the comfort room or the toilet. So this is the toilet. The toilet has two tissues and two napkins, and they have the bidet. So this is the gym. It's located in the 6th floor. Okay, so you just pull, and they have a music, but I muted it due to copyright reasons. So they have treadmills, they have bikes, they have step in, they have the exercise balls, they have equipments. It's not that big, but it's okay. So they have exercise balls. Okay, so this is the female comfort room. I can't go to the male, I'm sorry. But the female comfort room has no people because I went there by 2 a.m. So there's no people inside the female comfort room. So when I go, there's a shower, there's a toilet, there's the lockers. So that's it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm touring you around. So there's a plan for the design of the gym, and then the gym is very, very beautiful. Wow, very, very nice and clean. It's very, very clean. The gym is beautiful and clean. And I'm going out now. Okay, so push. Okay, one more time, and then I'll push, and going out and going back. At that time, I realized I was so alone, so I felt that there's a ghost, but there's no ghost. There's no ghost. So I felt that I was just alone in the whole 6th floor. So I was just so scared.
Hello.
So that's me.
Hello. Hello.
Saying hello to you guys. Okay.
Hello, guys.
My mom, my dad, and me.
Hello.
Saying hello to you.
Hello.
Saying hello.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, that's the pool. The pool view, the kids pool, and then the Araneta City Cubao view.
Hello.
So, good morning, guys. So it's already morning. So now I was planning to go to the pool, going down to the 6th floor, and go to the pool to enjoy swimming. And I was just so bored in the room, so I will go swimming. So going down, so I see this is fit for kids. So I realized that you should go here in the kids club, because if you have kids, they can play in the kids club, like 12 years old below, and then they can play. But the problem is the parent is outside, so the parent while the kids is playing are playing, and then the parents are outside to watch them. They cannot go inside, but it's okay because they just want to have their kids and fun. So going out, so touring you around the swimming pool. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to the pool on open. Okay, so in the pool they have a restaurant here. It's pricey, but if you want to try, it's okay. So it's pricey, but it's good. The food is good, the ambience is good, the drinks are good. If you want to drink there, you can. They have tables because it's a restaurant pool bar. So this is the swimming pool. This is the view of Araneta City, Cubao. They have the comfort to cover the roofs in the seats. So they have this seat called the cover roofs, and then they have the playground. So in the playground you can have your kids the outdoor playground. So they have the horse ride, the slide, and the pool, and they have also kids pool. So as you can see, I'm going to the kids pool. So this is the kids pool. Okay, so it's nice to have kids. So at least you can bring your kids in the Novotel. So this is the pool that I am showing. So it's kind of dark, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to swim now. So 1, 2, 3. That's me swimming. As you can see, the water is clear, the water is clean. It's clean Novotel. Everything is clean, and we're very, very satisfied in their pool. So as you can see, I'm having fun swimming in their pool. I'm having fun with their waterfall. So that's an advantage if you swim in Novotel. They have waterfall. So if you want to swim, they have waterfall. Okay, I was going here in the waterfall. So at least I swam. Okay. Okay, I'm going to swim. Okay, swim we go. Swim back. Okay. So I'm swimming. Everybody's enjoying swimming. I'm just the only one swimming because there's no
How much is your spa services? Pwede mo medyo niloob?
Okay, see. So massage is 2460, signature 32, 27 AD, signature body scrub 2460. Pwede turn up po tayo. This is their what is water lounge. Wait lang. Sige po. Then,
Single room po is 4 rooms. Then our couples room.
couples room.
Yes. With shower and toilet. And here's our
Family
suite room.
suite room. Wow, jacuzzi.
Steam, shower, and then toilet.
How much is this one?
Depende ma'am, if yung treatment lang, pwede naman.
Jacuzzi lang.
With jacuzzi ma'am, 1.7 and steam na rin po yun. For 1 hour.
Sige po, thank you po. Thank you po, miss. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.